In the jungle arms race, only too often there's someone else with a more powerful weapon. Here, it pays to sit still and blend in, because you just never know who's watching. The praying mantis has arms that can strike 10 times faster than a blink of the eye, and it's the only insect known to see in 3D. Her problem is seeing prey when it freezes. She needs some movement to be sure it's food, just the tiniest sign of life. Yep, that's done it. A lightning strike has given her the edge over her insect prey, but it doesn't pay to be complacent. The parson's chameleon is an expert in the see and not be seen game. It lets its eyes do all the work, while the rest of its body moves in slow motion so as not to scare possible targets. The problem is that it can only see prey if it moves. Aha! Time to unleash its secret weapon. A tongue longer than its body.